Okay, for wall number 4, as we have done 3 walls and just one is remaining. As I can see, this wall have inside our surface. Here we have some surface also, so I will draw that something different, which will also help you to know something better and something different from the previous. So I will go same to grading and grading creation tools. Here again I want a side for wall number 4. It's have already created it. Okay, and then here you need to select surface. We always select surface 1, which is our existing surface. Press OK and leave the layers as it is. From here now I will also go grade to surface. I already explained everything to you, and from the commands here I will go create grading. Select the feature, which is our feature line. Select that, and now select the grading side, this one. And now in this situation our grading side can be this and this one also inside. So we have to side inside and outside. So I want to draw grading outside of my feature line. So yes, for now I want to draw grading with entire length of this polyline and this feature line. So I will select just yes, because I want to grade everything in 1 and 3 slope around this seawall. So I will select slope 1 and 3, press enter. If we want steep slope, so we can go for 1 by 1, but usually we use 1 and 2 or 1 and 3. It can be different with heights. For example, the height of 1 meter, it will 1 and 2 for 1 and 3, sorry, and for height of 2 meter or after some 5 meters, then it can be 1 and 2, and more than 10 meters can be 1 and 1, something like that. So you need to select slope here 1 and 3 also, press enter, and you can see it has been created retaining seawall for you. It's something like pound, right? But it's not a pound, it is our seawall. So it's the little bit different because we have slope every side of our wall. But if you select that and go to object viewer, you can see it's not solid from inside, because we did not create infill for that. So if we draw something like pound, it should be like this when we see from the bottom. So retaining wall and ponds, they are little bit same, I think. Okay, so I need to draw infill here. Go to create infill, and then you can see it is showing little bit green blue inside your lines, because it's now already that you have this area to infill them. Okay, I will infill and press enter. It has been done. Then again go to object viewer, and now you can see it has been done with a surface. So it's our wall, right? Okay, so when we see in the object viewer, you can see we have done with the infill of our grading, then press escape to back out, and for now I think we need to add these feature line also into our grading group. Adds to surface as break lines, so it will Seawall 4 and press OK. Mid ordinate will be 0.001. OK, so it's done. Again, as we add our new line into our surface of grading, then again you need to create grading surface. Now you can see it's done. Okay, so now on our existing surface we have 4 walls, 1, 2, 3 and 4. As we have done with all wall, but we need to see them at once. Select all of lines, all grading and surfaces. Some feature lines, you must be careful about them. Okay, so you can go object viewer and can see all 4 walls. When you will move your mouse, you can see them. So wall number 1, here we have, I think here we have some gap between these 2 walls, which should be had to grade for them, because here we have some nice grading between wall number 2 and 3, but here we have something like gap. So another wall is also fine. I don't know why they put retaining wall here because it's just structure. But anyway, we will go with that because we get location from existing drawing and according to surveying points. I will just want to add something here to connect them each other, because it will get wrong something if we did not match them. So I will put some feature lines. For feature line, just need to go now we have all surface in in a drawing, that's why it's a little bit hang. Okay, so I will start my polyline, and I want to match them from here to here on the same another wall number 1. So select the corner point, this one. Okay, and another line I want to put here. Just here will be fine. Okay, now we have 2 polylines, and we will make a future line with these polyline, but for now this polyline I go create feature line, and then name, you can say extra line, extra one or something like that. Assign elevation. Okay, and I want to get the elevation from surface of existing for this line. Just okay, so it has been done with existing surface, but for this line I want to take some elevations from this surface on this side, and another side will be according to this surface. So I want to check some elevations here. I think it was 32, and here was also 32, but I want to confirm that how I can check elevation here on any surface. These points I have with elevation, but they are just surveying points, and they are existing point. So I want to check points on my proposed surface of seawalls. So how can I do that? Go to annotate, and you will see here add labels. Go to surface, and here support elevation. I want to check the elevation, that's why I will go support the elevation. Must read down, select a surface, or press enter key to select the from the list. So you can select from the list, or you can select from the drawing. For example, I want to select this surface, and I will just select this, and now it's saying there's select a point. I want to get the elevation of this area, that's why I will just click here, and it will show me that it is 31.56. Okay, so it's for just this side, and for the another side I want to check here. Okay, I also want to check some elevation here in this surface. When I will click, it will not give me any elevation, because I was just select a one surface, that was which, and it's give me this elevation. I need to select again, command surface spot elevation. Okay, and select. It will ask for the select your surface. I will select this surface, and now when I will put here, it will give me 32.20 for the location. Okay, press enter and press escape again. Now I know that here we have elevation 32.2, and here we have 31.56. so you can close this one. Again, go to feature line, create feature from object, select this line, and press enter. Name extra 2. It's not matter, you can select any or you can make it anything else. Yes, assign elevation. Okay, now I will not go from surface because I have elevations and I will put them accordingly. So I as you can see here, we have just one box to give elevation for the line, so I can put here 32.2, which was our wall number 1. So for the wall number 2 side, we will edit them later. Okay, so it has been done, but for now if you select this line and go to elevation editor, you will see here we have 32.2 for whole line. As I want to draw at 0 0, I want you can see here 31.56. you can select 30 and add a 31.556 or 5, you can make it, and then OK. So it will change. How you can check that it has been changed? You can go to insert elevation, and when you will hover your cursor here, it will show you 31.50, and here you have also elevation at the mid of this line 31.83, because here we have 32.2. okay, so it's fine for now. So this area I want to match each other, these two lines, these two walls, sorry, and for now I will select these two lines and go ahead to surface as brick line. I can select here Seawall 1 surface and Seawall 2 surface also. It's depend on you. You can select any one from the surface which you want to put the area of this wall with anyone. So Seawall 2, I want to put with Seawall 2 and then press OK. Description no need, everything will be stay as it is. Okay, and now you can see we have also contours here. So these contours are matching to our Seawall number 2, because we was select Seawall 2. If we was select Seawall 1, it will appear in the same style of Seawall number 1. So I want to check them again. You can select like this or select similar, and you will get select everything again. Select your surface also. Okay, so we need to select all gradings and surfaces. Okay, object viewer. Now zoom, and you can see here that this portion has been merged with these two walls accordingly. Before it was not fine, but now it's has been covered If you want to change them again little bit more, then you can do it also. You can also match these two here to here also to get better, but I think it's fine. We just need little slopey area like seawall also here, which we have get. I'm sorry. So I think we have some structure here, but as we have not anything according to our point, that's why I can't draw, and we have just 4 walls. If you have many more walls here, then we can draw them manually from here to here just in a wall, then it will just remain same procedure will be follow, but it will take just little time. And if you, when you watch my videos, you see these 4 walls, you just need, then fine. Otherwise, if you want to draw complete seawall from here to here, maybe it within your scope, or I don't know about that, you can tell me, so then I will draw that quickly in from here to here. So I think we have now fine these all wall. If you want to add something when you will draw your gradings and surfaces, when you want to change the contour interval, these are our contour 1 2 3 like that. So if you want to change the contour interval, here you will see here we have many contours, you can see. But if I want to change them, I will select and go to surface properties, and here I can get any contour interval accordingly, like this. But if so it's matching with our existing surface, it will not fine, I need to change that again. You can select them in a design. Okay, so but one thing more, if you want to get contour interval which we have not here in this surface tile, then you can go to surface properties, and here we have edit surface style. In edit surface style we have many tabs. Information, you can change the name and put any new name of your contour interval, and then you will go to contour, and here you have contour interval. Double click and you will see for the base elevation leave them, and minor elevation we have now 0.5. you can put any anything according to you, like 0.8, 1 meter, 2 meters, something like that. When you will press enter, it will take 5 times of minor contour to multiply that with 5 and get major contour. Okay, so one thing more, here we have, if we have contours, here you can see, if we have contours like this very sharp from edges, so we can make them smooth. Go to surface properties and contour smooth. When you will double click, it will show you here false, but as it has been done for this surface already, that's why it's showing true. But if you are drawing some new surface, then it will be false, and then you need to turn that into true and for example it will fall, then you can't increase and decrease the contour smoothing. You just need to do it true, and you can go like this. It will increase, it will decrease. I can go at maximum. Okay, and you will see the change between contour. The curves are smooth now. If I want to do with my grading surfaces like that, I can go to edit surface, and here you can see it's now off. When I will double click to contour smooth, I will check true, and then I will increase them. You can apply and press OK, and you can just apply, so it will make them smooth. So if we have these little things I want to tell you, because it will help you to get better design, because once we have already done everything, then but it's not look fine, then we must need to some spotted commands, some spotted functions of Civil 3D to now and to get better design. Select your surface and you can go to edit surface again. I will show you that how you can change the lines color and little things more about that. Go to display surface, and here it's showing that points will be in the red. In the display you can see and now we are in the plan view, okay, not in the model or section. So in the plan we have triangle with this color, and major contour should be yellow for now, but if I want to do that pink, I will select that, and border I want to make it green, and minor contours I want to make them something blue, for example. I will press OK, and press escape. You can see I have changed the color of my contours, so you can do them accordingly, according to your specification, design, and your nature maybe. Okay, so we have changed the style of our contour. You must need to Control S for save them. If you have many surfaces in your drawing, it will take some time to save them. Okay. It has been changed here also, because I was in the same design, that's why it has been changed with another walls also. So now you have 1 2 3 4 wall with different styles and different design. The wall number 1 and wall number 2 is same, I think, but the wall number 3 we have a little bit change from others. It has not vertical wall but just slope, and wall number 4 have also same slope, but it's all around the wall. So it's just like looking a stage. I don't think there will be need a wall, but we are going with our surveying points, that's why maybe in the future they need. So you want to change also the contour interval for this one. It is 0.05 and I need to go with 1 meter. So I think it will fine. These are fine for now. We can take these all surfaces, select similar, select all of them, and then we can paste them in one surface to get cut and fill one time, but I think it will not a correct way to get the cut fill just one time, so I will get cut and fill one by one for each surface, then we can plus them and get total. For example, we have this surface, and if you go to the edit surface, you can see here paste surface. Select any surface here which you want to paste this surface into another. Press OK. It will paste them into your existing surface, but it will change everything accordingly. And then you can check here. You can see now very smooth surface. Okay, so press escape and then Control Z to go back. If you done something wrong or something, just for example, then you must go back with the same surface. Okay, so press Control S to save this one. So we have done with surfaces. In the next section we will go with cut and fill materials, about our seawalls. I will send you this drawing also, you can work on it. If you want to work from my first session, then you must need to delete all of them, but remember, just leave your walls location, or you can get them from your existing drawing which you have sent me before, and you can delete every other things, every other lines on your drawing, and just keep your location of seawall, and then you can go with step by step of my videos to get first feature lines, then grading, and when I will explain in cut and fill in another session, then you can get that. Hope you will enjoy.